A high-quality baking mat can be a game-changer for both amateur bakers and professional chefs. These reusable, non-stick mats provide a reliable alternative to parchment paper, making baking easier, cleaner, and more efficient. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 baking mats that offer durability, heat resistance, and excellent performance. Let's dive in. Number 5. A Milan Silicone Baking Mat for 1/8 Sheet Pan. 8th Non-Stick Silicone Baking Sheet Liner for Cookie Macaron Bread Pastry. Food-grade silicone mat for 9x 7-inch small toaster oven tray. 2 PCS. About this item. Precise fit for perfect results tailored to fit 1/8 sheet baking pan. This silicone baking mat ensures that your baked goods are evenly cooked to perfection every time. Bake with confidence, knowing that your mat is up to the task. Premium food-grade materials. Each 1/8 baking mat is meticulously crafted from premium European standard food-grade silicone, ensuring that your baked goods are in contact with safe materials. Odorless, BPA-free. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing that your baking mat 1/8 is completely odorless and free from harmful BPA. Heat-resistant, versatile with a thickness of 0.75 millimeters, and with glossy, dense finish as well as whiter coated edges. These baking mats for 8 sheets. Number 4. Silicone Baking Mat. 3-pack reusable baking mat, non-stick, food-safe silicone mats for baking, oven baking sheet for making cookies, macaroons, bread. About this item, food-grade quality. Silicone baking mats are made of pliable food-grade silicone, BPA-free. Baking mats ensures that the food is heated evenly. Silicone mats for baking are heat-resistant, with a range of -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Care instructions. For optimal results, we recommend boiling the mats in water for 10 minutes before first use. If you are sensitive to the initial scent of new products, you can also place it in the oven at 392 degrees Fahrenheit - 428 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius - 220 degrees Celsius, for 10 minutes. Non-stick surface. There is no need to grease the silicone baking sheet when using it, and even the dough is less likely to stick to the silicone baking sheets for oven. Multi-purpose baking set. Silicone mat for baking set includes 2 half-sheet. Number 3. Zulli Kitchen 16.5 inches by 11.6 inches 2-pack silicone baking mat sheet. Reusable silicone baking sheet. Easy, convenient, non-stick baking supplies. Silicone mats for baking. Baking mat for oven, dark gray. About this item, must have silicone baking mat half-sheet. Elevate your baking with our 16.5 inch by 11.6 inch silicone baking mats. This 2-pack set is perfect for baking cookies, bread, macarons, pastries, and more without the need for parchment paper or cooking sprays. Ideal for baking supplies. Durable, food-safe silicone. Crafted from premium food-grade silicone, these baking mats are strong, flexible, and can handle temperatures up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Non-stick, even heat distribution. Perfect for both dry and sticky ingredients. Say goodbye to using cooking sprays, foil, or parchment paper. Our reusable silicone baking mats provide a non-stick surface, making them perfect for rolling or prepping sticky ingredients. Easy to clean store. Cleaning these silicone mats for baking is a breeze. Number 2. Silicone Baking Mat. Silicone cookie sheets for baking. Reusable baking mat. 2-pack. Non-stick, reusable, food safe. 16.5 inches by 11.6 inches. Dark gray oven baking sheet for making cookies, macaroons, bread. 2. About this item, food grade quality. Silicone baking mats are made of pliable food grade silicone, BPA free, and reinforced with good fiberglass. Baking mats ensures that the food is heated evenly. Silicone mats for baking are heat resistant, with a range of -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Transform your baking with a non-stick silicone baking mat. Achieve perfect results every time with our silicone baking mats. Say goodbye to sticky messes and burnt bottoms, and hello to flawless cookies, pastries, and roasted vegetables. Convenient baking. The silicone material of the silicone baking sheet is non-slip and prevents food from slipping. A must-have baking supplies for effortless cooking. The silicone material of the silicone baking sheet is non-slip and prevents food from slipping. Number 1. Amazon Basics Rectangular Silicone Non-Stick Reusable Food-Safe Baking Mat. Pack of 2, 16.5 inch LX 11.6 W. New beige/gray. About this item: baking mat, 2-pack. For easy and convenient baking, roasting, or food prep, food-safe silicone mats can be reused again and again. Non-stick, flexible silicone releases food without the need for oil, cooking sprays, or parchment paper. Oven safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Use with a baking tray for support. Do not put baking mat directly on oven rack. Cleans easily by hand with soap and water. Product dimensions: 16.5 by 11.6 inches, LXW, per mat.